From a multifunctional tool capable of charging smartphones and other gadgets while reducing CO2 emissions, to an all-in-one solution designed to add more speed for SUP boats, surfboards, kayaks, and similar equipment. These are the craziest inventions that will drive you insane. ALINTI. Introducing the Lindsay Pot, a revolutionary product on our list that not only charges your smartphone and other gadgets, but also reduces CO2 emissions by approximately 6.6 pounds per year. Electricity is generated through a combination of photosynthesis and solar panels, with smartphone charging taking just about an hour. Additionally, this multifunctional pot can double as a lamp, providing up to 12 hours of autonomous operation. Recognizing that not everyone has a green thumb, the pot comes equipped with a voice assistant to guide you through plant care tasks like watering and fertilizing. Moreover, the device contributes to indoor air purification, with the included Asparagus densiflorus plant adept at removing harmful organic substances. Initial shipments to the US started in February and worldwide in March of 2023. The Lindsay Pot is priced starting at $229, offering both eco-friendly functionality and plant care convenience. Prepare to be amazed by some of the craziest ideas and inventions ever conceived by humans. From groundbreaking technologies to innovations that seem like they're from another planet, these creations are guaranteed to drive you insane. TOUCHWOOD. Introducing TOUCHWOOD, a groundbreaking project from the US that promises to infuse magic back into technology. This innovative smart device can be seamlessly integrated into various furniture pieces, including all kinds of tables, offering a unique blend of physical and digital experiences. Patented and compatible with materials like wood, stone, polymers, and fabric, excluding glass, TOUCHWOOD allows users to customize their environment to their liking. Whether it's playing games, checking the weather forecast, adjusting lighting, or playing music, the possibilities are endless. Beyond personal use, TOUCHWOOD holds potential for commercial applications, such as displaying menus in restaurants. With its ability to merge the physical and digital realms, TOUCHWOOD offers an enchanting experience for users. Pricing is available upon request, making this magical solution accessible to all. HOLOSWIM 2. The latest addition to the growing array of smart glasses is the HOLOSWIM 2 model, tailored specifically for swimming enthusiasts. This cutting-edge product offers augmented reality features and enables users to track various metrics such as speed, time, and calories burned while swimming. Designed to cater to both beginners and professionals, it offers training and educational courses for novices, while experienced swimmers can benefit from data displayed in 3 different modes, including SWOLF, the combined measure of stroke count and time. For enhanced comfort, the goggles come with 4 nose bridge sizes and adjustable silicone straps, weighing a mere 2.5 ounces with a 4-hour battery life per charge. Priced at $104 for the basic set, including goggles, a case, charging cable, and 4 nose bridges, the first shipments came out October of 2022, promising an immersive and insightful swimming experience for users of all levels. Wizard Smart Switch. "I'm here to tell you that magic is real," declares the guy in the part-time wizard t-shirt as he wields his wand to control various smart home solutions. But should he be sent to Azkaban for that? Let's delve into the Wizard Smart Switch system, which operates on a ridiculously simple premise. Each electrical appliance's plug connects to a special unit, which is then inserted into the socket. These units are linked to rune stones, touched by the wand to activate the desired device, be it the TV, kettle, electric fireplace, or any other gadget. With a maximum range of about 150 feet, the system promises convenience and enchantment. Surprisingly, the creators have already filed for 5 patents, hinting at further magical innovations to come. However, embracing wizardry comes at a price. A set comprising a wand, smart plug, and runestone costs $97, making the wizard lifestyle quite the investment. Prepare yourself for some truly bizarre ideas and inventions that humans have imagined. And get this, not just one, but 2 of the most insane inventions that will completely astonish you. Water bag. Compared to the innovative products highlighted today, flexible water tanks may seem modest, yet they offer immense value to gardeners, farmers, construction workers, road workers, and other professionals. 2 manufacturers, Baytech Containers and H2Go Bag, showcase solutions in a video, with the latter priced at $20 and holding 21 gallons of water, complete with a non-slip mat for safety. Both containers fit easily into wheelbarrows, facilitating precise water pouring without the need for a hose, and fold compactly for storage. Additionally, they serve as reliable long-term water storage solutions during utility failures. Despite their simplicity, these products have garnered praise from customers and experts alike, with the H2Go Bag winning the 2008 Garden Answers Magazine Award for Best Innovation of the Year, a testament to their practicality and effectiveness. CUDA. The goal of Archie O'Brien, a student at a British university, is to offer something innovative and unique with the CUDA underwater jetpack. Originally conceptualized as a scaled-down jet engine, O'Brien developed his own patented solution, now available for pre-order on the project's website. The jetpack boasts impressive specifications: 40 minutes of runtime on a single charge, acceleration up to 7 miles per hour, a weight of only 29 pounds, and a dive depth of up to 131 feet. Operated via a controller with a color display and equipped with a quick-release lock system, it comes in 3 sizes and appeals to water recreation enthusiasts and rescue services alike. However, with a price tag of around $1,900, the question remains, is it worth it? I'll leave it to you to decide.